Is it time to buy or sell FUTU Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into FUTU Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of June 2025, our system has ranked FUTU Holdings as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.54. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 66.09% since we first identified FUTU Holdings as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.32% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 65% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 46% and 79%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of about 59%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -10.58% to 69.79% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $159.76 and $303.35. Our latest daily update for FUTU Holdings features the headline, Significant Movements in FUTU Holdings Ltd stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating 10.43% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, the FUTU Holdings Ltd stock price increased by 6.02%, rising from $168.52 to $178.66. During that same day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 10.43%, with a low of $161.90 and a high of $178.79. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen a total gain of 15.24%. Additionally, trading volume increased on that day, indicating a positive technical sign, with 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 5 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $958.67 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $179.10, while the lowest price was $56.22. Presently, the stock price is 0.25% or $0.440 below the 52-week high and 12.53% or $25.59 below the all-time high recorded on the 10th of February 2021, when it reached $204.25. FUTU delivered an impressive second quarter. Revenue soared nearly 70% year over year. Trading volumes more than doubled, driven by cryptocurrency activity and volatile markets, while net income surged about 105% to $339 million. Wealth management assets more than doubled, and as the company expanded internationally, it reduced political concentration. Management also hosted a quarterly call outlining ongoing product diversification. Analysts responded positively by upgrading the stock and adding it to strong buy lists. In the short term, these strong results, the upgrade and renewed momentum, are expected to lift sentiment, enhance trading liquidity, and potentially drive the share price higher as investors pursue earnings momentum. Over the medium and long term, sustained growth will hinge on whether FUTU can transform volatile trading-driven gains into recurring wealth management fees, successfully scale its operations overseas, and manage regulatory and cryptocurrency exposures effectively. If the company executes its strategy well, margins and valuation could improve. However, if markets stabilize or regulatory pressures increase, Revenue volatility and stock fluctuations are likely to follow. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned FUTU a buy rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, Jefferies also rated FUTU with a buy grade, taking a hold action. On Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated FUTU as overweight with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, Deutsche Bank gave FUTU a buy rating alongside a hold action. Finally, on Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated FUTU as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Futu Holdings stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Futu Holdings. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The stock of Futu Holdings Ltd is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these moving averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at $172.97 and $154.73. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 26.11%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 3 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a buy signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 77 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 66 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Futu Holdings. Futu Holdings Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at $176.48, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $16.89 between its high and low points, which represents a movement of 10.43%. Throughout the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.29%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Futu Holdings, let's briefly examine some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, typically associated with companies that have established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 20th of August, 2025. Analysts are estimating earnings of $2.13 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Futu Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and rely on volume to help determine your exit. On the downside, Futu Holdings faces its first support level at $176.48. If this support level holds, it could provide a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Futu Holdings from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 13th of November, 2018, when John Lawrence Bushouse conducted an insider purchase of 1,011,781 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $172.16, representing a decline of 3.64%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is FUTU Holdings stock a good buy? FUTU Holdings Ltd presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Consequently, we view it as a favorable option at these present levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold to a strong buy recommendation since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect FUTU Holdings to open lower by $5.54, starting at $173.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.